Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the valves on your L-head style engine. To begin the disassembly, I'll remove the cover and the trim. Now I'll remove the air filter cover, filter, and base. Now I'll remove the fuel line from the carburetor and then the fuel tank. Now I'm going to remove the starter, blower housing, and the oil fill neck. I'll remove the screws that secure the starter assembly to the engine. Now I'll remove the carburetor and the muffler. On some engines, there's metal tabs that secure the muffler bolts. I'll bend those back, and now I can remove the bolts. Now I'll remove the governor linkage. And now I can remove the spark plug and the ignition coil. And next I'll remove the flywheel. I'll remove the key as well. And now I can remove the head. And now I'll remove the sump from the bottom of the engine. Now I'll remove the governor and oil slinger and the camshaft. I'll remove the valve tappets. Now I'll remove the breather to access the valve springs and keepers. I'll use a valve spring removal tool to compress the valve springs and remove the keeper from the valve stem. Now I'll use one of the valve tappets to push the valve stem free from the spring. And I'll remove the valve. I'll use some brake cleaner on a rag to clean the valve seat.